Whoa.
Hello guys, this is the unboxing video of MI house cleaning robot. I ordered it 6 months back almost crowdfunding, but due to COVID-19 it was never delivered, and finally it has been delivered in December. To pay for the delay, they said that they have put a coupon for 1000 rupees. Let's see. Full sealed, full packed. I have to cut it open. The back of the robot. Wheels looks like, oh, mechanized. Blades. See how it picks. I don't know what are these. Do you still figure out? Let's see. Make it straight. Wow. Book. Now I need to read this book first, and then only I will show the operation. I think there will be a supply box here, so let's open this also. Take these two out. I guess that extra one more, I think, flap or something. This is the power cord. It says it's a 2-pin. It says output is 20 volt 1.2 ampere, input is 100 to 240 volt 0.6 ampere. Okay, this is the docking station, if I understand it correctly. charging dock. See. This is the filter, I think, the VEPA or I don't know, HEPA filter. Yeah, I think this will get fitted in the. I will read the manual first and then I'll get back. So I'll now show you all the parts which I read from the manual. Manual is pretty good. It talks about just 4 pages you need to read, but you should read it first rather than starting it without reading the manual. So it talks about all the parts and how to start and how to install the app, because app is very much needed. I have not yet mapped the room, so this video will only contain till the installation part. Okay, so there is a notch here, you can pull it up, and it houses one filter. This is only for brooming. This is a brooming filter. It has a filter here and nothing else is there. So either you can attach this filter and there is one more filter. This is for brooming plus mopping. So it has a port here to fill water. You can fill water here and close it. And this is the same. Other part is the same. If you are mopping, wet mopping, then you put this. And if you are only doing brooming, default it was put. I just kept it like this. So here there is an attachment for cleaning this. So I think when it gets filled, you can use this for cleaning like this. And there's a cutter also here. I think some hair or something you can cut with this. The cutter here, so it says caution sharp blade inside. This is an attachment which is just, you can keep it here. That's it. This is the front part. Now I'll show you. So there is one sensor here, don't bother. There's an IR sensor here, and in the bottom part, so this rotating thing is already mounted. I don't have to do anything. This keeps rotating, and I think this picks the dirt. You can take it out like this and again put it back like this. Nothing to be done here. This is the cover for this. Just very simple mechanism, so nothing you have to do. And these rollers are already there. I installed this, so you can pull it out. This, and so they have given 2 such, one to be installed and one you just is a spare. Don't have to do anything. So only one this brush. And there are sensors here. Don't have to bother. Sensors will work. That's the only thing you have to do. Only you have to put this in the back. Rest of the housing is already there. In the front, as I said, you don't have to do anything. If you want to change the mopping filter with the wiping filter with the mopping filter, then you can open it and change. That's it. So now I will turn it on and show you how it will go to the docking station. So just press this button to turn on. 3 seconds. It will turn on, and I will press the home button. It will go to the home.
Turning on.
It is turning on now. And the home is actually the docking station. Now it is going to the docking station. It will search on its own. Now the vacuum cleaner is mapping the room and also doing a sweeping. One problem which I can see it is that it is not going and touching the obstacles. Okay, so at times it is touching. It is mapping the obstacle in the path, that how big is the obstacle. Now see, it is going around the table to map the obstacle. It is going around the table to map the obstacle. So this is how the MI vacuum cleaner is mapping the full room. You can see the white lines throughout the room. It is mapping and figuring the breadth, the length and breadth of the room. So this is, and it is going to the docking station also to figure out what is going on, what is where. So the full room it is trying to map. I guess it will now go to the second round of it. If you see here, now it is going again. So I think the full room it will map. The mapping functionality is going on in the app. You see here it is showing the area, duration, battery. On the vacuum mode is going on. This is how it is mapping the full room. It will go through the full breadth of the room and map everything, like all the corners of the room. So we thought our room is very clean, nothing to be cleaned, but then still we just ran the mop, the vacuum cleaner, and it got all this thing from the cleanest room in our house. So yeah, it works. That means. And it cleaned this full room in 20 minutes. Testing going on. Should it fall or it will not fall? Let's see if it falls. Cleaning all the corners today because I have enabled corner cleaning. Oh, it should not fall. It has not fallen. Very dangerous area it is moving around now because there is so much of contours here and depth also.
This is the dirtiest place in the room.
Oh, now it is measuring the angle. Let's open it, and it has got a lot of dust from below the bed.
Dust compartment has been removed.
Okay. Whoa.